x squared plus 7x plus 12. The first thing to do, you check if it's arranged. What do I mean by being arranged? From the power of 2 to the power of 1, then the constant. So now, let's multiply the first term and the last term. We multiply. X squared times 12 will give us plus 12x squared. Now the next thing to do, we look for two numbers such that when you multiply them, you have 12, and when you add them, you have plus 7. So what are those numbers that the product gives us 12 and the sum gives us 7? You check 3 times 4 will go. 3 times 4 is 12 and 3 plus 4 is 7. So we use 3 and 4. Positive 3 and positive 4. So now you can write this equation. You can add your x here since we are dealing with x. To write this equation, you now have x squared. Instead of writing this 7x now, you write the two factors we got, which is 3x and also 4x. And you now complete it with plus 12. Complete it with plus 12. So finally, not finally actually, you now check for these first two, what element is common here? What's the HCF? Highest common factor. X is common here. If you factor out that x, you'll be left with x in the first one. The second one, you'll be left with 3. You'll be left with 3 there. Then look at this now. What's the HCF of 4x and 12? You see that the HCF is our 4. If 4 divides 4x, you have x here. If 4 divides 12, you have 3. Notice that what we have in the bracket are the same. So whenever you're factorizing any factorizable equation or expression, what is left in the bracket must always be the same. So finally now, what is common to this expression? X plus 3 is common to both of them. What is remaining here? X. What is remaining here? Plus 4. So this becomes the answer to this question. When you factorize this expression, you get x plus 3 bracket x plus 4. Thank you very much. In our next tutorial, we'll be looking at another example to make this simpler or clear.